A little bit of advice for those that are looking to get a super lightweight base kit. And I think that comes down to a couple things. You can either spend or you can suffer. What I mean by this is if you want to buy the latest and greatest gear, it's typically going to be a lot lighter than something that you would get at Walmart, for example. So be prepared to spend money to shave ounces. Now, the second thing is it really comes down to experience, knowing the climate that you're going to be hiking in and your comfortability using your certain gear. And so what I mean by that is if you are not that experienced with through hiking or hiking in general, you're probably going to be packing a lot of your fears, a lot of redundant items, a lot of things that you think you're definitely going to need, a lot of comfort items possibly. When I was on the Wonderland Trail, I had a guy come up to me, look at my pack, and then see if I could show it to his wife that was with him that was packing a bunch of extra shoes on the outside of her pack, and her pack looked like there was 3 different bodies in there essentially, right? Again, I'm not a big gear geek, I'm not a big gear guru, but I think that I've gotten to the point to where I can slim down my pack enough to the point where I'm comfortable using the equipment that I have. I know that it's going to work, and I know what to do if something didn't work, or I kind of have something that's redundant in place that's maybe a multi-purpose item. But the biggest piece of advice that I would give you is make sure you're getting the experience to go out there and use this equipment, get comfortable with what you need, and everything that you don't need, write it down on a list afterwards, and then don't bring that next time and see how it goes. Obviously, make sure that you have a margin of safety in there, but for me, that was kind of like a really great example of not bringing a full-blown raincoat or not bringing leggings because I knew that I'm always really hot in the summer and I don't really need leggings until shoulder season, and I really don't need a raincoat unless I'm hiking in the Rocky Mountains when it's monsoon season at least. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like and subscribe, and here is the documentary of my Wonderland Trail journey. Hope you enjoy.